Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jani Jain, and I'm here to make you all smile and entertain.
Like you love on yeah, me do what I want when I come through. I need you like you,
So, as you guys read by the title, today I'm gonna do is a bonkers haul, bonkers corner haul. I am so very excited because so I'm shooting shooting YouTube video after 2 weeks. It's a very long time for me at least, and I was inactive on YouTube, Instagram, and everywhere. I was just uploading the drafts, but I am finally recording this after 2 weeks. My grandfather is okay and he's fine, he's good. He's little weak, but yeah, he'll be fine anyways. So talking about today's fit, this is from Agio. The link will be there in the description below. And the jewelry, like the lock chain, is from What the Funk, and even the earrings are from What the Funk, which is my brand only, so you can check it out. Anyways guys, so I did a Burger Bay haul some weeks ago, and you were like, do bonkers haul, do urbanic haul, do street style store haul. So I was like, as you guys say, so I am here with my haul videos again, and today I'm gonna do is a bonkers haul video. I am so freaking excited with this because this is like my vibe. Bonkers and Burger Bay is like my vibe, t-shirts, sweatpants, jackets, and hoodies and sweatshirts, my type. I really like those. So here I am with the video, and without any blabbering, let's get into the video. Okay, so talking about this is a shipping process, so talking about the I ordered, it was April 25th, and I got the order on 27th April, like in 2 days. So this is like Chumeshwari, 2 दिन में आ गया order. Very good. Okay, so going for the first item, which is the aqua blue relaxed fit t-shirt, and which is in this size double XL. Okay, so this is the t-shirt. Oh my god, sorry. This is the t-shirt. Like, oh my god, it's so freaking oversized. Obviously this is my size is not double XL, it's L, but I went like over the top, like double XL for loose fittings. I really like loose fittings, so this is like too freaking large to me, as you can see it. So I really like it, and I like the loose t-shirt. The color is so freaking nice. Okay, I don't know if you can see or not, but just look at the color. Like, whoa, I really like it. This is so freaking nice. The fabric is so, this is not a sponsor video, okay? The fabric is super nice, and I really like it. Like, I like the fabric, and ये अभी ये bonkers का है, like double XL, and the tag is still there, so I'm not gonna return it, don't worry. It's just, I really like the fit. This is so freaking cute. I really like it. This is like a throw-on t-shirt. I really like it. I'm saying really like it so many times, but any which ways. Yeah. So this is the t-shirt I really like, and favorite tee is gonna come very soon, so wait for that. Anyways, I really like this one, and the fabric is nice, and the quality is nice. I think it's really very nice. So I think I'll give 5 on 5 on this. But this is too loose for me, but I went wrong size, so that's okay, but I really like it. Anyways. So getting on, okay, so the MRP of this t-shirt was 359, and I think this is the like very good price for this t-shirt, like very nice. Okay, the next one is brown cardigan, and it is in the size XL. Okay. Oh my god, I really wanted the brown cardigan from so freaking long. I couldn't even explain. Like, I really wanted this from so long. This is like a fit size to me. It's not loose. It's really fitting. Like, I really like this one. And it is a little crop, but not that crop, so that's good. नीचे का part ऐसा है. And it's neck थोड़ा V है. I really like the V cut, so I really like it. Okay, and it's full sleeve, crop top. My vibe, I like it. I really want a cardigan from so freaking long. I bought it from Sarojini, but it was not fitting me. But then I bought this. This is so freaking cute. It is worth the purchase. It was 4 rupees 699, which is 700, and I think I really like it. Like 600-700 mm. I really like it. So the color is so freaking nice. The fabric is knitted, like as you can see. I really like it. Like it's stretchable. Nice. Buttons भी brown. It's not a cheap quality. बिल्कुल भी अच्छा है. बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छा है. It's Bonkers Corner, made in India. It's written here. Focus, guys, focus. Anyways, yeah, corner नहीं टेंशन मत लो. ठीक है. So this is full sleeve and I said it. I really like this fit. I really love it. Very cute, very nice. But थोड़ा समर में पहनने के लिए बहुत गर्मी है. मुंबई में तो नहीं पहन सकती. बाकी it's very nice. So thumbs up for this. 5 on 5 on for this. Obviously, this is very very cute and nice. I really like it. I see myself wearing this a lot of times. Like not a lot of times, but yeah, wearing it like yeah. Okay, so going to the next one is crop sweatshirt. It is written like crop sweatshirt raglan sleeve fleece. It's double XL and it is for 699. Okay, so I have a little यहाँ वहाँ 1920 मतलब 1920 मतलब 19-20 फ़र्क है थोड़ा. मेरा 515 मैं नहीं दे पाऊँगी इसको. I'll show you why. Because okay, so this is double XL but it fits me properly. I don't know, like my size is L, but this is double XL. Like I really went like over the top for this. I wanted like a very loose, comfortable t-shirt or like a sweatshirt. Like I can wear it like in summer, in winters, and I just घर पे पहन सकूँ. Like full sleeve है. Bonkers लिखा हुआ है, like in print है. You can see in print है, cropped है. I thought I'll wear it like winters में घर पे. Because it will be very loose to me. I really like it. Double XL लिया मैंने इसलिए. But this fits me. I don't know like why, but I really don't know. Like I was like, you know, it will fit me like loose. I will look like a cool dude, but I am looking like a normal girl. Anyway, that's okay. But I was wishing, like I was dreaming about that look, you know. So अच्छा है ये. मैंने ये पहना था जब मैंने ये वीडियो बनाया था, like ये वाला वीडियो, like डैडी को प्रोडक्ट इंडिया शिट डैडी गर्ल प्रोडक्ट्स गेस करते हैं. या इट्स क्रॉप्ड, इट्स नाइस, इट्स फैब्रिक इज़ नाइस. ओके, सो अगर उसका बात नहीं करें हम, मुझे लूज़ नहीं होता इसलिए. बाकी फैब्रिक अच्छा है. ओके, सो यू कैन सी द फैब्रिक इज़ नाइस. अंदर से ये फैब्रिक है. सो दिस इज़ नाइस, वेरी नाइस. बट 700 में आई वॉन्टेड दैट लूज फिट one, but I don't know, like it's okay, but I can wear it. I'm not gonna return it, so that's okay. I'll cool with it. It's for 700 rupees and I think it's worth it, but you know what I dreamt of, it's not there, so that's there. Okay, the next one is Block You crop t-shirt. How do I block you in real life? Its color is lilac and it is the size XL. It's for 429 rupees. I thought that it would fit me loose, but it did. I was joking. It's really freaking so nice. It's like my second most favorite item from the haul. Like I really like it. The t-shirt is so cute. It's crop top and it is written, how do I block you in real life? Please say me that. Anyways, the sleeves are so freaking cute. It's crop top. It's super like I like the loose fit of it. It's not too loose, but it is loose. It's XL, so I think that's okay for me. And the color is super cute, so I will give this 5 on 5. Okay, so that one was 4 on 5 because it didn't fit me well. But anyways, so talking about this, it's really very cute. The sleeves are like whoop, so broad. I really like it. So it's stretchable, not that stretchable, but yeah, it's crop top, so it's really very cute and I really like it. So second most favorite item from this. Yeah, I really like it. So I'm gonna wear this very soon, you know, on my picture, like in my picture. So you're gonna see which size on. Okay, so the next item is, I I am crazy relaxed fit t-shirt. I am crazy, but you like that relaxed fit t-shirt. Size is double XL. It's for 449, that it's 450 rupees, and it is in the shade nude. Okay, so it's red. Like, this is the print which is written over here. The color nude is super cute. It's not even brown, it's proper nude. So I really like it. I really wanted a nude t-shirt in my wardrobe. I didn't have one, so that's why I bought this. This is also like super, like, you can see me, like, I can fit like 2 chunnies can fit in this side. But anyways, it's okay. I really like the fit because it's loose, comfortable, it's my vibe, so I really like it. And it is the same, like, the fabric is nice, it's very loose fit. You can go for L, M, you can go for your own size, but I just went 2 sizes up because I like the loose fit of it. It's so super cute. I really like it. The fabric is nice. It's like a t-shirt material. It's double XL over here. It's Bonkers. Like, I really like it that they have, you know, written like Bonkers Corner in every t-shirt, not like, I won't say the brand, but yeah, that's good of them. I really like it. The fit is nice and the colorful is so nice. Nude color, oh my god, I really like it. So it is a throw-on t-shirt and I really like it. 515 to this too. Okay, so the last item and my favorite from all is the red signature tie and dye, which is double XL, 499, which is 500 rupees, and I am in freaking love with this. This is my favorite from everything like I own right now. This is super nice. I really like the color of it. Like, look at the color, dude, guys. It is also the loose fit, obviously. It is Bonkers from my ear. Yeah, and I think it shines like, yeah, it shines in the dark. It shines in the dark and I really like it. This is super freaking cute and my favorite from all. I will give this 10 on 10, 100 on 100. Like, I really like it. The fitting is super nice. They're very loose, very comfortable. I really like this. This is my freaking favorite from all. And the sleeves are very nice. The fabric, the tie and dye print, I think everything is super nice. And I think 500 mein is best t-shirt I've owned. I don't know, like, I haven't worn it until now. I was waiting for the, you know, the YouTube video, but I can finally wear this. I really like it. So cute. I like it. Okay, anyways, 515 I always said this. One drawback. Okay, so I was searching for bottom wear, like, you know, if I could review a bottom wear for you guys, but there were only 2 colors available, which was white and pink. White मेरी मम्मी मुझे पहनने नहीं देगी, pink मुझे पहनना नहीं था, so I didn't bought both of them. बाकी कोई है ही नहीं उनके पास. Like, I thought that they would have colors like black, green, blue, grey, but they had none. They had only white and pink, so I didn't bought both of them because no. So that's a drawback. Like, I don't if you want a sweatshirt, if you want sweatpant, you won't get there. You can have some other brands, but sweatpants, no. Baki jackets I didn't try because I didn't want it to, because it's winter, it's not winter, so I didn't want to waste my money. So anyways guys, the t-shirts which I bought were 100% nice and I really like it. Sweatshirt 19-20 ठीक है. Cardigan perfect. So yeah, I really like the whole purchase of mine, and this is the very good video. This is a very good purchase. I really like it and hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below your favorite purchase from this haul and what other video should I do. So follow me on Instagram, like, share and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon below for the next video update, and ta-da!
तू ही है